Authorized users. This topic comes up all the time, and a lot of people think that it's no longer a mechanism that can help a consumer's credit score, and that's not true. It's one of the only little loopholes that's left that can increase credit very quickly. Let me explain what an authorized user is. If I have a credit card that I've been paying on for years, and my wife, her income is also going towards paying that bill, I can call up and add her onto the card, and the credit history that I've accumulated over the years should show up on her report within 30 to 60 days. Now, what about somebody that's not my wife? Yeah, I could add anyone that I want to that credit card, but I shouldn't. We consider that to be fraudulent, adding people that you have no connection with or adding on to someone's account with no connection to them. We consider that to be fraudulent, and a lot of banks do as well. But if someone is an immediate family member, or if they share or partake in the paying of that bill, you can call up the credit card company, you can give them their social security and their name, they will read you a little authorization form that you understand that this is going to report to their credit, and then like I said, within a month or two, that account should show up on the credit. There are companies out there that try to sell credit lines. We stay far away from those. You already heard my opinion on that practice. Now, we also get a question of, could it negatively impact my credit if I add my wife to it? No, that doesn't have any negative impact on my credit. So if it's a spouse, immediate family member, business partner, something like that, it's going to not impact me in a negative way at all and only help them in most cases. Now, if I go late on that credit card, that history will show up on their report as well. To continue on this note, what if you have an authorized user account on your credit report that you didn't know about or don't want there, or it's hurting you? It should be as simple as one phone call to that credit card company and to say, this is not an authorized use of my credit. This needs to come off of my credit report. And you have every right in the world to be removed from that item and have it not report on your credit as quickly as possible, which should happen within 30 to 60 days. If they tell you that you need to jump through any hoops to be removed from an authorized user, let me know and I'll connect you with our FCRA and FDCPA attorneys.